Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're probably excited about the perks that come with your card, and one of the best is the Global Entry credit. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. So, let's dive right in. First off, what's Global Entry? It's a U.S. Customs and Border Protection program that lets you breeze through airport security and customs when you travel internationally. Instead of long lines, you get expedited clearance. It's a game changer for frequent flyers. And here's the cool part. If you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve card, you get up to a $100 credit to cover the application fee. That's basically free access to this awesome service. To get started, make sure you're eligible. You'll need to be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and your Chase Sapphire card must be in good standing. Once that's confirmed, head over to the official Global Entry website. Don't use third-party sites to avoid scams. Next, create an account on the Trusted Traveler Program's website. Fill out the application form with your personal details, travel history, and answer a few questions about your background. It usually takes about 20 minutes. When it's time to pay the $100 fee, use your Chase Sapphire card. That's key because that's how you'll trigger the reimbursement. After submitting, you'll get a conditional approval, and then you'll need to schedule an in-person interview at a Global Entry enrollment center. Once you're fully approved, the credit will automatically appear on your Chase statement as a reimbursement, no receipts needed. This whole process can take a few weeks to a few months, so plan ahead for your next trip. One quick tip. Apply during off-peak times to speed things up, and double-check all your info to avoid delays. Trust me, once you have Global Entry, traveling feels so much easier. There you have it. A simple guide to using your Chase Sapphire Global Entry credit. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.